My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. So today we are going to be playing with an old palette, but to me it's new because I just got it. It's the Naked Urban Decay palette, the original one. So I didn't just get it. I got it about a month and a half ago when they announced that they were no longer going to be making the palette. I went and jumped on, was it Sephora? I think I went to Sephora and they had it for 50% off, so I went ahead and got the palette. So let me open it up for you. I put it back in the box. Obviously I've already used it because this is the look that I came up with, but I put it back in the box just to show you the packaging. And here are the colors right here. And I'm going to tell you already, I forgot to use the brush inside again. I usually like to use the brushes when I try out a new palette just so that you guys know how they perform. But you guys probably all have this palette already, so you already know how they perform. But anyway, these are the colors, and yeah, I really enjoyed creating this look. I tried to keep it kind of wearable, but yet I tried to use a lot of colors in there so that I could see how they all performed. So if you want to see exactly how I got this look, then you know what to do. Just sit tight. Wait a minute. Actually, go get yourself a snack and then sit tight, and I'll be right back right after this. Okay guys, so first I'm going to take the color Virgin and I'm going to put that all over my lids just to kind of set in the concealer that I already have on. Okay, and now I'm going to take the color Naked and I'm going to use that as my first transition shade. Nice. Very nice. And so with this first transition shade, I always like to go a little higher than normal just because I don't want to lose that color when I put my second deeper shade in. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the color Buck and go a little bit lower in the transition area there. Very pretty, I like that. And with this white e.l.f. brush, I'm going to put Naked under the lash line here, a little low. Okay, and then I'm going to clean that off and I'm going to go in with Buck and go up right under there as well, a little higher up near the lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to wet a flat synthetic brush with some Fix Plus, and it's my Alamar brush that I just got recently, and I'm going to go in with the color Half Baked. And I'm going to go on the inner lid here. Just barely a little bit right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Smog and I'm going to put that right next to it. I want Smog to be the main color, the main shimmer color. I really like Smog and I think it goes really well with my top. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Dark Horse and put that on the outer area there. I wonder if you can see that. Can you see those 3 different colors there? Okay. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and just with no product on it at all, I'm just going to sweep it all just to kind of blend all the colors in. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna go do that to the other eye. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the color, I believe it's called Creep. I don't have my glasses on. I hope I'm saying that right. I noticed in my last video I was saying Rang, and I think the color was Bang or something like that. But anyway, I think this is Creep, the darkest color in the palette. And I'm just going to kind of push that right here just to give it some definition. Yeah, like that. Just very little. And now I'm going to wipe the product off the brush and I'm going to kind of sweep it in a little bit. That's good enough. I think I'm going to do that on the bottom lash line as well. Okay, that's good. And now everything that I did on the top lid with the shimmers, I'm going to do on the bottom lash line as well. First, I'm going to go in with Half Baked. And then Dark Horse. And that's it. I'm going to go do that to the other eye. Okay guys, now I'm going to take a little bit of Half Baked and just kind of put this under the eyebrow here. Just like that, just very little. Okay, I think I'm done with my look. What do you guys think? I like it. It's subtle, pretty. Okay, now I'm going to use my Kat Von D inked liner in Trooper Black. And yeah, we're almost done. Alright, let's go see if I can do that to the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with my Wonder 2 Super Stay Liner in the color Black. I'm going to put that on my waterline. Kind of pushing down into the lashes a little bit on the outer corner. On the inner corner, I'm going to stay in the waterline. just like that. How does that look? I'm going to put a little bit in the tight line. Okay guys, now I'm going to go put on some mascara on my top and lower lashes, and I'm going to use Superhero by IT. Okay guys, so I have my mascara on, and I also went ahead and put on my false eyelashes. They're my Boudoir lashes by House of Lashes, in case you're wondering. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild 98-cent lip liner, and it is in the color, let me look, Brandy Wine. I should have known, that's the one I've been using. I always have to slightly overline on this side because my lips are uneven. Okay, now I'm going to use this long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra, and it's in the color Verona, and I got it in a BOXYCHARM box recently. Boy, that matches the lip liner so well, doesn't it? Very nice. Okay, now I want a little bit of lightness in the center there with a little bit of shimmer, so I'm going to try this Bitsy lipstick, and it's in the color Dare to Bear, and let's see if that shows up in the center. There we go. When you put a lighter color in the center of your lips, it makes your lips look a little fuller. So okay, that's it. That's the finished look. What do you guys think? So okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit and say goodbye to you guys. Alrighty guys, so what do you think? I like it. I can't believe that I've never tried the Naked palette, the original Naked palette by Urban Decay. I absolutely love it. I love the packaging. I'm going to have to be really careful so that I don't get the velvet dirty, but I just absolutely love it. And I love the color. Oh, we didn't use the brush. Oh my word. I can't believe it. I'm going to have to do another look using this brush now. Ah, can't believe I did that again. And I love Urban Decay and Anastasia brushes, so I know that it would have been awesome. So anyway, I love these colors. So let me know if you were able to get your hands on another Naked palette, because as you know, they are no longer distributing these. They are no longer making them. So I am so thrilled that I was able to get my hands on a palette, and I'm going to probably be very, I'm going to try to not use it all up because they're not making them anymore. So yeah, so I have this Naked Original palette, and then I have the Naked Heat and the Naked Cherry, and that's all I have. I don't have 2 or 3, and I know that there's another one. I forget the one right before Naked Heat. I forget what that's called, but I saw it at Ulta the other day. I'm like, ooh, I kind of like that. I don't remember what it's called, but I might get that one, and I might get 2 and 3. I don't know, eventually. So let me know if you were able to get your hands on this palette again, and if not, have you guys already hit pan on your original one that you bought? Alrighty guys, so now that I'm finished filming this, you're going to see me wearing this in my next video, because I am going to be announcing the winners to the giveaway for the brush cleaner. Here's mine right here. I've got all of you guys's in the closet next door. But remember this, I'm going to be announcing the winners of the brush cleaner as well as the Juno sponge. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish this video out, and then I'm going to get started with that video and announce the giveaway winners. Yay! Oh, and I did want to tell you that since my last video, I've gone back to my doctor, and rather than having one disc removed, I'm having 2 discs removed and replaced with spacers. So it's going to be a little bit more of an in-depth surgery than we initially thought. And one thing that's kind of cool, even though my hand's still shaking a little bit, it's not shaking as much or hurting as much because I went to a shoulder specialist and he injected me with a cortisone shot. The cortisone shot hurt. But immediately after that, I was able to raise my arm up a little. See, it's still not too high, but it's a little higher than it was. So, and he gave me exercises to do. So at least I'm getting some relief in the shoulder until I have my surgery on the 16th, which is probably in like 9 days, 9 or 8 days. I don't know. I think today's the 7th or 8th. I don't know. I'm lost. Anyway, just wanted you to know that that is something that has changed. Rather than just having 1 disc replaced, I'm having 2 discs replaced. So the whole name of the surgery is called anterior cervical discectomy and fusion. So I think they usually use the acronym ACDF for that surgery. So if y'all want to look it up and see exactly what it is I'm having, that's what it is. You can just look up ACDF cervical surgery. Alrighty guys, so don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah. Besitos!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.